didn't do it again, like, but thanks for no. We came in to the pontoon. We're only here for the night. We're off first thing in the morning, and yeah, so we just put it here. Just tidy up the boat now. Nearly lost his jacket on the way in. It blew right over and caught on the hook.
That's Royal Navy Reserve.
I know, it's a cracking jacket. Sun going down now. It's 9:30. Nice sunset there. Engine on 525. Release lines, and we're away. 5:50. Heading out. Plan is to go down to the Swellies, through the Swellies, and then either into Carnarvon, depends on what the weather's doing, or anchor up Pilot's Cove, somewhere around there.
Lovely. On our location, Tuesday tonight, it's going to be
2.7 meters underneath us.
It's going to be not massively strong.
Oh no. Oh yeah, that I had that.
You wouldn't want to be in the North Coast.
No. I had that forecast. Yeah.
So not that.
Yeah.
So I was going to write that.
Just coming out of Bangor now. There's Bangor Pier, and it's 5:55. We shouldn't be pushing any tide. I know everybody says this, but I mean, like, you know, in terms of going somewhere, just look at this. This is spectacular. It really is. It's just a beautiful part of the country, and you know, we're heading now through the Swellies Bridge. Is this Britannia? No, Britannia. through the Menai. We're going through the Menai now. Menai Bridge it is. Yeah, it takes you half an hour to get to the galley. You'd normally just reach down and pick up your team from the galley.
No, it takes just as long because you have to get on the knees. Actually, the distance probably isn't that much. The galley's towards the middle of the lake. Hello world.
This is no crew extraordinaire is the word.
Team maker.
Team maker, yeah. Team maker.
Lord St. Vincent.
There she is, Menai Bridge.
Oh, should I make a note?
6:29 through Menai Bridge.
Slightly, I don't know.
Just line them up, the two far under, just by the bridge there. Get them in line, and then we turn straight for them. And there we go.
Oh, yeah. A lot of scenery around, and really good show, really good plot.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Strongly recommend.
Coming through here, it's just, it's stunning.
I love it. But I do want to try and get running Fox now.
Yeah. As we arrive at this white triangle, we now head for the centre of the bridge. Leaving those markers over there behind. Centre of the bridge. And then head over to Nelson's Column, which you may be able to see in the distance.
But it's not well known that it's there.
Actually, I can't see it now. Don't know where the bloody hell it is.
That's the only thing about Nelson. He wasn't an aristocrat.
No.
He was the son of a big
Yeah, so that's right, yeah.
I mean, for him to rise so high,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
There we go.
But you know, it was the Battle of the Nile that made his name.
Yeah.
Because there they were searching around the Mediterranean for the French fleet for about 6 weeks.
Yes.
Every afternoon at 3 o'clock, do you know?
Oh, there it is, up there, see.
Oh, he's up there.
We're going closer to Nelson. Noel's hero.
Everyone's hero.
Noel's hero.
If he's not your hero, you've got to screw this.
Yeah.
So if we go broadside onto
Yeah,
probably to get a good picture.
He might shoot us.
Well, if he does, we're in trouble.
Yeah.
What's our depth now?
15.4.
Is that meters?
Yeah.
Can you change that to feet just so,
No.
just so I understand?
No. I don't understand feet at all.
I mean, feet are more accurate. Or sorry, I'll choose a different word. More precise.
Yes.
Because they're a smaller unit.
And there's good old Nelson. Dear me, he's actually bowed to Noel. Good timing coming through the swellies there. Lord Nelson's column here, Noel's hero, as we know. This is amazing, this. 2 cups of tea in less than 20 minutes. Who is this man? Oh yeah, oh yeah. You got it. It says fresh water over on the where you put the instruments on. It should be bottom row. Holding on. Beautiful Carnarvon. Love Carnarvon, really do. And it's the castle again. Beautiful castle. You just can't beat these places. Past Carnarvon.
My brother Tom, you know, he died. I wonder if there's some kind of insurance you can take out to,
Possibly.
To get buried within 48 hours.
Possibly, yeah. Just come past Carnarvon Castle now at 10 to 8, and we're just heading to Carnarvon Bar now. Nice shot there, coming through. Good old Wales. Just coming into Pirates Cove now. 7.9 metres, 11 knots of wind. Going to be quite sheltered behind there because of the northerly. I hope they're alright coming around the stacks. There's going to be a northerly up there. It's going to be blowing quite badly. But, should be alright. Quick sail now after Portland Line. 11:11. 7:25 was it? Engine off. Sails up. Off the Portland Line. Still no word off the crew, off the fleet. And so we're heading to Portland Line. take a break there and then come back. Maybe either stay there tonight or go into the port. We'll see what the wind's doing tonight. Lady Ash there going into Carnarvon. Just on 12 o'clock now. We're doing 5.5. We've been between 5.5 and 6. Heading down to Porth Line. Sailing very nicely. 10 knots of wind. Going well. Cruising well. Still not heard from the rest, but from what I've worked out, I think they're going back round and down the straits into Carnarvon tonight by the looks of it. We'll hear from them soon, I think. It's a lovely day. Well, not sunny, but it's nice, and as I say, nice wind, nice calm wind, good wind for sailing, and we're doing quite well. He's on the helm. He's enjoying the wheel. Not.
Lovely wheels.
Arrived in Porth Line. 2:01, 14:01. Not bad timing really. We'll stop here and then we'll be away by 3 o'clock. Get back and then into Carnarvon. Good morning at 14:07. Don't forget your log. Sails are out, engines on because we just put it off. We're doing 3.2 under sail, speed over ground. We need to speed that up, but we'll see how we go really, see how we go here.
I've made a note, sunny and warm.
Yeah, I forgot to say, the sun's out. The sun's got its hat on, we haven't, but the sun has. We were mostly sailing up until the wind dropped to 5 knots, and then we pulled the foresail in, just flapping all over the place, and we're fairly close to wind anyway, so yeah, wasn't working.
So you just with all this rain over the clouds,
yeah,
over the mountains and clouds. Here we are, out enjoying sunshine.
Yeah, brilliant sunshine. Been good. Shame that we couldn't sail back, because it would have been a nice sail today. Yeah. Arrived at the bar entrance now. Coming up to C5. Going through, heading to the bar and then to Carnarvon. We haven't got much current with us. Last time we passed that, it was nearly underwater. It was that strong, the current coming in.
Yeah, it was. It's amazing how
it doesn't look healthy along across there. Just over the bar now, we're just coming into Carnarvon in the distance. Just about to see the castle, I think, in GoPro, but very overcast. Looks very thundery actually. And we've had beautiful weather all the way. Look at that. That's where we came from, and that's what we're going to. As Noel said, are we going the right way? Do we have Carnarvon again? Approaching Carnarvon now. Carnarvon City. Is it a city? I don't know. Carnarvon town? Carnarvon anyway. It's a centaur and a half. That's really nice, that. Kester. Yeah, lazy start.
You're going to move east forward.
Want to put a line on back of Wild Magic to the
Big motor yacht, because that motor yacht's got to come down here.
Well, right, as you say, why not just go there?
That motor yacht's got to come down here to refuel.
Yeah, but he'll fit on there, yeah.
I know, but they've got to go somewhere.
What?
They've got to go somewhere then, haven't they? It's got to go right on the end. It's got to fuel where that is.
Yeah, but if they pull right up there, still.
That's the smart work of Mike Noonan.
Tell us all the way around.
Yeah. DSC fleet altogether. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 boats in total. All had to move because the big boat had to go out, did it?
Yeah.
Sank?
Yeah. Sank on the platters.
You waiting to be grabbed, Angie?
What?
You waiting to be grabbed?
Yeah. Stockport County.
Looking good now. Pilot's Cove would have been nice this time of night. Just had a good meal in the Anglesey. And Steve's found out he's got to leave in the morning.
That's it.
So we're just waiting for Mike, aren't we?
It's a beautiful evening, Roy.
Hey, it is great out there. I was saying Pilot's Cove would have been alright, as it turned out.
I mean, if you want to go now, I'd be.
How are you, young man? Oh dear, not you as well. Poor
What time did you
Andy.
get back at last night, anyway?
Today we were supposed to be leaving at 7:30 to get up to the Swellies, but when I read it, we should have been at 7:30 at the Swellies for 7:30, and I decided not to go. Steve has to be back, and he decided to risk it. He's got a more powerful engine, obviously, but having said that, I was worried that we'd be punching the tide, but he did really well as it worked out. And I think we would have made it. I mean, it's flat calm at the moment. There's all you've got to contend with is the current. So I'm just waiting for Steve to say what it was like when he was going through, because basically he was an hour late, and according to the information, pilot information, for every 10 minutes you're late to the Swellies going east, you are at 1 knot of tide against you, and we would have had between 4 and 5 knots by the time we got there against us, which would have been hard work for the boat. With a heavier boat, we're a lot wider, and the engine is not as powerful. So, and not only that, the tiller steering, the wheel steering is not as responsive as a sail drive or tiller driven. So controlling it in tight circumstances would not have been easy. So my decision was to hold back, and we'll just go out on this evening's tide, do a night sail back home, and we should be home by 6:30. But yeah, you have to make these decisions. Gonna take it a ride, going fishing. He's got picked up a shoe. Emma lost it last night as she tried to walk on water. You're going to put it in?
I've just side launched it.
If you had a room, don't forget your rope. Nice. Everyone's, the fleet are getting off to Pilot's Cove today. Going to have a lovely, lovely summer's day by the looks of it. It's a bit overcast now, but there's the alarm. And there's James. Little big James. A Holland supporter. Well, best club in the whole of the UK actually, not the Northwest.
Certainly the best club in the D.
Yeah, all for one, one for all. Hey, don't.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, great day for the cove.
As the fleet depart one by one. What time's the gate close?
Tell you what, cast me off, Roy. Push me round.
You sure? Trying to push him around.
Good luck. Have fun.
See ya. Take care, young people.
Thanks, Roy. Safe trip home.
No problem. Hope everything goes well with the batteries. You should be alright. You got plenty on board. You alright, Sandy?
Yes, yeah, I'm just trying to. Got me clip.
Trying to get alive.
I'm alive. That's about it. I'm alive.
Oh, good. Yeah. I mean, it's not a good day. I got to the rooms are all empty.
Your dinghy line's underwater, you know that, don't you?
Hey?
Your dinghy line's underwater.
Oh gosh.
Road on the right. You're shackled on.
It will go, it's just following us around.
Yeah.
I have quite a long one on this, you see.
No, you're boasting again. Pull that, you don't want that line, Andy, you want that line pulled in. The top line pulled in, it's not connected to anything. Otherwise, if that goes down, it'll wrap around your propeller. That's it.
There you go, that's it.
Pull the line in. Pull that line in.
Angie, if you got a pull.
No, not that one. The one you just pulled.
Andy, a pull it.
I'll get that one in a sec, it'll be alright.
You don't want it going in. If that wraps around your propeller, you'll know about it.
It'll ruin your day.
Follow us.
Dear me. And then there was one. We're just left. We're leaving in the afternoon. The afternoon tide, heading back to the day. An overnight sail. Just leaving the Anglesey Arms now after a lovely meal.
Roy was in the Anglesey Arms, I wasn't. I was drinking tea.
Yeah. Noel with his tea. That's all he had, honest.
Yeah, and we're off for an ice cream now.
Other side to Carnarvon Castle. One that you can't see from the sea. Sea Loch all on its own now. The fleet have gone. They've all saved their way and left us. Start saying soon.
He's going to go to the gents the way they go.
Yeah. About now, after our lovely meal, and a walk around the shops to get some milk. We'll have a little snooze before we kick off at roughly 2 hours time. And look at this guy. Where's the sun gone? We had a beautiful sit out in the sun before, and now we've got this. Hopefully it'll just pass over. I don't know whether that's visible on this camera, but the water's just coming over the sill now. And the red light's still on, and we know, Roy, don't we, Roy? We know very well, Roy, that we don't go out on a red light. People may remember from a video a long time back that the fleet left, and they all had, well, I had the keel up actually, so it wasn't a problem, but my rudder, which was loose anyway, just caught the edge and came off, and I was here for a month. Well, above the briny over there, good old Simon sorted it all out for me. He did an excellent job, and it's still going strong today. Hey. Goodbye, Victoria Dock. Leaving at 18:28. Thank you, Victoria Dock. Thank you for all your help and a beautiful stay. End of part 1.